Hello everyone, in today's video, join me as I unbox the Apple iPad Pro as well as the matching Magic Keyboard. Now this is Apple's current and top of the line iPad as of the filming of this video. Let's check it out and see what our first impressions are. So I actually acquired these from Costco and not straight from the Apple Store. Costco had a way better deal than the store did, and I've heard their electronics return policy is actually way better than the Apple Store. So took advantage of the deal and the savings and acquired them from Costco. A couple things I want to talk about before we start unboxing. First off, why did I decide to get an iPad? So I currently have a Lenovo Legion 7, which is my gaming baby. It has a really great graphics card, but unfortunately takes up a lot of battery, and the charger is about this big, so it's not very portable, not really travel friendly. Even if I move it from here to the docking station to the couch, just really bulky and not a lot of battery life. So needed something with a little bit more battery life to be productive, as well as portability for travel. And this checked off those boxes. Next up, I want to talk about why I decided to get the iPad Pro versus iPad Air and the regular iPad. And it came down to pricing. So as I stated before, Costco had a really good deal to where it was only a $300 difference between the iPad Air and the iPad Pro. The iPad was just way too bulky. And for a $300 difference, I got the lightest, the thinnest, and the best display out of all three iPads. So that was why I went with the Pro over the others. All right, enough with the chit chat. Let's get to unboxing. So first we're going to do the iPad Pro. Already took off the little film strips just to try to make this faster and easier. Haven't opened it yet though, officially. Okay. It is really thin. I know I felt it at the store, but to have it in your hands and not attached to that freaking string to keep you from robbing it. So I went with the space black. Fingerprints, none. Now, I actually got the 11-inch. I felt like the 13-inch, which it comes in 11 and 13. I felt like the 13-inch was too big, might as well get a laptop. But again, went with the 11, 256 gigabytes, which it comes in 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabytes. Now it's pretty crazy to think 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes can fit in a small device as thin as this. I might be aging myself here, but I remember back in the day when Fry's Electronics was around and I was building my computer and just already was mind blown with 256 gigabytes. But here we are talking about 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte capabilities in 2024. Crazy. But in any case, it comes, oh, I also want to mention the 1 terabyte and the 2 terabyte comes in what they call the nano texture display. And it's a fancy way of saying no reflections, which I think here you might be able to see the reflection from the lighting here in the office. But it has this one. I basically got the entry level of the iPad, 256 gigabytes, 11 inches, and in the beautiful space black. Now it is the 12 megapixel camera and 4K in video recording, as well as ProRes resolution in the Pro. And apparently it also has speakers on all 4 sides, studio quality microphone. It is gorgeous. And again, look how thin this is. I don't know if I can really show on the camera. This is thin, y'all. Holy smokes. Quite the impressions on the iPad already. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see what else comes within this box. Typical iPad Directions. I heard there was a rumor that they're not doing stickers anymore, which I never did anything with the stickers. I don't know about y'all. Y'all, comes with a matching black charger. That is pretty cool. Though it comes in a white block, I would have preferred a space black one to fully match, but beggars can't be choosers. So, but still pretty cool with the black charger here. So it's nicely threaded. Cable here, USB-C, which I forgot to mention, this is a USB-C charger. And I think that is very important, very key nowadays, especially for me, where all my electronic devices, basically my Nintendo Switch, my iPhone 15 Pro Max, my DJI microphone, almost everything I own is USB-C charger. So I'm able to interchangeably use the same charger to all the other items. So this, of course, is key. All right, and that's basically it. Time to unbox the Magic Keyboard that is compatible with the 11 Pro. Opened up the little tabs, get that rolling. Okay, somewhat heavy. The iPad is actually lighter, but let's see. Decided to go with the matching space black to give it that black on black look. Very sleek, smudges. Okay. Has a USB charger there. Ooh, very, it's not flimsy, quite tough. Okay, here we are. Another reason why I got the iPad Pro was that it is compatible with this Magic Keyboard that comes for the Pro, and it has this extra row of function keys. So escape, dimming, lighting, the usual stuff. And the other keyboards with the iPad Air and the other ones, they did not have that one. And I would like to have that accessibility to turn down the brightness, turn up the brightness, or the volume. It's just super easy just to have it there ready to go. Very durable. I feel like I can really hit someone with this, but yet light. Okay, so I'm looking at these 3 dots here, and I'm guessing match it up. It's back in kindergarten. Oh, that is a strong magnet. And just like that, it is on. You really have to pull to separate this. Like I am pulling. Yeah. Strong magnet, and all you gotta do is do that. None of the fidgeting with trying to squeeze it in the rubber. And that is it. Look how small that is, how thin that is. Heavy, good quality, doesn't feel cheap. Look at that, how easy. Just close it. It's kind of hard right now just because it's bulky. Just a touch. No, there you go. Not too shabby. Just gotta get used to it. The keyboard is ready to use once you dock your iPad to the keyboard. No need to charge the keyboard as it draws battery power from the iPad. So easy pairing, easy charging. The Magic Keyboard has backlit keys for those times when you are in the dark. Even the caps lock lights up. And here is the finished look on the iPad along with its Magic Keyboard. Pretty sleek, easy to use now that I know how to open and close it. I'm not used to this fanciness here, but I think I'm gonna be a happy customer here. Again, the lightest and thinnest and brightest iPad along with its Magic Keyboard that has the extra function keys up at the top. I think this is going to be a nice portable travel friendly device, and I think it's going to be worth every penny. Bang for my buck, as I like to say. Super excited to get started, get it up and running to where I can be productive anywhere I go, whether it's on the plane, on the couch, or outside. I may download a game or two, Roblox, but strictly business, and can't wait to be productive on this bad boy here, on this black on black sleek device here. Can't wait. Thanks so much for joining today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Comment down below if you think this is worth the money or if you plan on buying an iPad. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.